Page 108. This is another 3-minute technique. This is a Major Pentascale Study. It's actually a pentascale study on a major pentascale, a 5-note scale. But if you don't understand major and minor, it doesn't mean anything. So really, we're just going to do, this is a C position. And we're using the notes in this position at various octaves, whatever they are, and that's really what it is. And these whole step, half step patterns are extremely important. You see, we have scales. I haven't talked about scales yet. We're getting there. We got 5. We got a 5-note scale, but we need to be doing a scale all the way from letter to letter, like C to C. Right now, we've just got 5 of the notes covered, so we're waiting to get the other notes covered, and then we're ready for the scales. So we're sticking with a 5-note scale here, a pentascale. Now, there's a pattern to this, and they show it to you here. It's a whole step, half step, whole step. That's important. So just whole, half, whole. Just whole, half, whole. All done. That's it. That's the pattern we're using. If you use that pattern, whole, half, whole, you will get a major pentascale every time, no matter what key, white or black you start on. If I go here, let's pick a note here. If I want a major pentascale, it's based on a major scale, but again, I follow that pattern, I'll get it. Whole, half, whole. Whole, half, whole. I got it. It works every time, no matter what the key is. So we're gradually linking these bits and pieces together. So half steps and whole steps are important because the different patterns make up the different types of scales we have. And in this one, it's whole, half, whole. So we start out here. Just get the notes. We're up here. And then as you're doing this hand, playing this, the left hand's got to come over here to get ready to play here. So as you're playing this, you're moving the left hand up. And then as you're playing this, you're getting the right hand up. So we're getting the hands in position before we need them there, if possible. And it's possible. So we're up here. And this is an 8VA over it. Then we come back down, then left hand, then the right hand comes over. Always go over when you're doing this. There's very seldom you go under. There's a few special cases you do, but otherwise you go over here. So you're here, go over. Now you have to come under because you're already there. That's what we're doing, is just here. That's what it is. And speed-wise and all that, it's up to you. And dynamics, I care less about dynamics in this because it's a lift up between each of these slurs, and these 8th notes got to be even and controlled. So if they're not even, you're going too fast. I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger here. So forth, and going down, same thing. This other direction. And that's really what you're doing. You don't even have to limit yourself to those. I mean, you can go up and down a long one. Whatever. I went too fast because they were not even. But the point is, you can use the whole keyboard if you want. Whatever. That's fine.